Hi, I'm Alex from Stream, and today I'm in our showroom to demonstrate how to use a single roller door screen. In our example, we have reveal fitted the screen. This fitting method allows you to fit at any position within the door recess. Alternatively, you can face fit the screen to the framework around your door opening. If your door opens inwards, fit externally and vice versa. The framework of the roller screen is made from powder coated aluminium, and the door option is designed to pull horizontally for ease of opening and closing. The mesh is contained within the cassette running down the side of the screen. This is usually fitted to the same side as your door hinges. To the top and bottom of the screen, you have a guide containing a brush pile front and back. The mesh runs in between this to give you a full seal. The depth, top to bottom, of the guide to the top is 40mm. For the guide to the bottom, you have a choice of 40 or 22mm depth. The size you choose will depend on the height of your threshold, as you don't want to create a trip hazard. Running down the other side of the screen is the closing channel containing a magnetic strip. The handlebar holds the opposing magnet. To use your screen, open your door and then close your screen by pulling the handlebar over to the closing channel. Wheels to the top and bottom of the handlebar assist the mesh along the guides. The opposing magnetic strip holds it shut. To open the screen, break the magnetic pull by pushing with your thumb on the closing channel and pulling the handlebar towards you. Then allow the screen to retract back under its own steam. Don't be tempted to push it back into the cassette. I hope you found this video helpful. There's plenty more information on the product page of our website, but if you do have any questions, please don't hesitate to get in touch. We are more than happy to help. Thanks so much for watching.